Okay, dear students, last period we have studied first application, that is the slope of tangent, slope of normal, equation of tangent, equation of normal. Now today we will see second application, derivatives as rate measure. So if y is equal to f of x is a differentiable function of x, then rate of change of y with respect to t, dy by dt is equal to dy by dx into dx by dt, or dy by dt is equal to, we can write f dash x into dx by dt. Now we'll take the examples. So first example, a particle moves suppose along the curve of 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. You want to find the point on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. So solution. So here given dy by dt, rate of change of y with respect to t, is equal to 8 times dx by dt. So this is given to you. We will name this equation first. Now since particle moves along curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. So 6 dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 0. So dy by dx is equal to, we get 3 upon 6 x square. So 1 upon 2 x square. Now by rate measure, dy by dt is equal to dy by dx into dx by dt. So dy by dt is equal to 8 dx by dt from equation first. 1 upon 2 x square dx by dt. So from first and second equation. So dx by dt gets cancelled. So 16 is equal to, we get x square. So x square is equal to 16, means x is equal to plus minus 4. Now at x is equal to 4, we put in the equation of curve. So 6y is equal to 4 cube plus 2. So 64 plus 2 divided by 6, y is equal to, so y is equal to 66 upon 6. So y is equal to 11. So implies point on curve P 4, 11. And at x is equal to minus 4, so y is equal to minus 4 cube plus 2 divided by 6. So minus 4 cube is minus 64 plus 2 upon 6. So minus 62 upon 6. So y is equal to, we get minus divided by minus 31 upon 3. So therefore point on curve P dash will say minus 4 minus 31 upon 3. So 2 points we are getting on the curve. So therefore points on curve 4, 11 and minus 4 minus 31 by 3. The surface area of the spherical balloon is increasing at the rate 2 centimeter square per second. At what rate is the volume of the balloon is increasing when radius of the balloon is 6 centimeter? So solution. So surface area S is equal to, you know the formula. Now surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square. r is equal to radius. So let r is equal to radius of spherical balloon. So S is equal to 4 pi r square surface area. Surface area S is equal to 4 pi r square. So ds upon dr is equal to 8 pi r. Now since ds upon dt is equal to ds by dr into dr by dt. So ds by dt is 8 pi r dr by dt. So dr by dt is equal to 2 upon 8 pi r. So dr by dt is equal to 1 upon 4 pi into r. At r is equal to 6 centimeter, so dr upon dt is equal to 1 upon 4 pi into 6. So 1 upon 24 pi centimeter per second. So this is the rate of change of radius of this balloon when the rate of change in surface area is 2. Now you want to find the rate of change in the volume. So now what is the volume? So volume of spherical balloon. P is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So dv upon dr is equal to get 4 upon 3 pi and derivatives of r cube 3r square. So 3 gets cancelled. So 4 pi r square. And r is equal to 6. dv upon dr is equal to 4 pi 6 square. So 36 into 4. So 144 pi. Now dv upon dt is equal to, we can write dv upon dr into dr by dt. So that is equal to dv upon dr 144 pi into dr by dt is 1 upon 24 pi. Pi gets cancelled. So 24 6 144. So 6. So centimeter cube per second. So therefore rate of change, rate of increase in volume, rate of increase in volume is equal to 6 centimeter cube per second, cubic centimeter per second. So this is the answer. So in this way you solve the example for rate measures by using the derivatives. So suppose we consider displacement function. Displacement S is equal to f of t. Displacement S is equal to f of t. Then ds by dt is equal to velocity. So you know this velocity is the rate of change of displacement. So v is equal to, that is the velocity. Velocity v is equal to ds by dt. So f dash t. Acceleration A is equal to rate of change of velocity dv upon dt or d2s by dt square, that is f double dash t. Now jerk J is equal to jerk denoted by small j is equal to dA upon dt. That is the rate of change of acceleration is called the jerk, or that is equal to d cube s upon dt cube. So we'll take the example for this application of the derivative, that is velocity, acceleration and jerk. So the displacement s of the particle at a time t is given by s is equal to t cube minus 4t square minus 5t. You want to find its velocity, acceleration and jerk at t is equal to 2. So solution, so we have s is equal to t cube minus 4t square minus 5t. Now v is equal to ds upon dt, so that is equal to 3t square minus 8t minus 5. A equal to dv upon dt, so that is equal to 6t minus 8. J equal to dA upon dt, so that is equal to 6. Now at t is equal to 2, velocity v equal to 3 into 2 square minus 8 into 2 minus 5. So 2 square 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 minus 16 minus 4, so minus 9. So meter per second. Acceleration A equal to 6 into 2 minus 8, 4 meter per second square. Jerk J equal to minus J is equal to 6 meter per second cube. So in this way we can apply, we can find this velocity, acceleration and jerk. So this is the application of derivatives to kinematics.